Good afternoon. I'm really honored to be here today for you on your really special milestone day. My name is Mansi Jasuja. I'm president of the IHS Alumni International Board. I'm so proud of you, and I'm here today to welcome you to the IHS Alumni Network, also on behalf of the other board members, Yanu, Justin, and Eduardo. I'm sure this last year has been an amazing year for you, full of challenges but also wonderful memories. And I know that IHS is going to be an important part of your life from this moment onwards. I'm here to tell you that the IHS Alumni Network is going to be a really important part of it for you. It's an amazing network, global network, full of amazing urban professionals. And from this moment, you're not only an IHS alumni, but you're also an ambassador for IHS. And you have access to a lot of incredible expertise and a lot of project resources, people in this network who are always willing to help you. We hope that you will go on to become mentors for other students and future urban leaders, and be the best person that you can be in this way and make really great cities that work. No doubt this has been a super challenging year for you, especially with the global pandemic going on. For me personally, two things have emerged strongly in this time. The first is the need for human beings to connect to nature, and the second is the need of them to connect to communities. And as good urban leaders, as good urban managers who design cities, you can have huge influence on these aspects. For me, a nice analogy comes to me at this time for what a good urban leader can be. So in times of crisis, let's say a flooding, we don't all need to bring out a huge ship. We can all show up with small boats, which means we can just contribute what we can do. And together we can do this. We can make this world a better place. We can make cities that really work. Today, I'm asking you as super talented and privileged urban professionals to prepare your boats. Today, I'm asking you to show up. And today, I'm asking you to take a pledge with me, which has become a tradition for the graduation of the last many years. So I would like to request you to stand up if you can. You're welcome to place your hand on your heart or in the air, whatever feels good. And please repeat after me. I, an urban professional, pledge to be, to the best of my ability, an outstanding urban leader. I commit to not only make cities work, but work with integrity, passion, and purpose, and bring compassion, kindness, and justice in my decisions to bring about meaningful, positive change with respect for cities, communities, and nature, for a happy and sustainable planet. Thank you. Here's me hoping that you will go on to create wonderful legacies for yourselves and for our cities and for our children. I welcome you to the best network in the world, and congratulations once again. Thank you.